Welcome back to equipmentforgarages.com. Today we are showing you our low-height Compact Pro for garages and workshop that need a low-height 2-post lift. The posts are just under 1.8 meters and they can extend all the way up to 2.2 meters. An important feature of this lift is that it has the new UKCA approval, which has superseded CE approval since the UK has left the EU. Also, it comes with a 33-page comprehensive build manual and parts breakdown. Being a 2-post lift with low height, it becomes viable in many situations where in the past a conventional full-height 2-post lift would not have been considered. It also gives more versatility than a scissor lift as it has a clear floor access. Our Compact Pro has the added feature of being movable. Using the drop-in anchors, the post can be unbolted and moved out of the way for storing, as each post has a set of wheels and handles. The lift operates on 2 hydraulic ramps. In one post there is a primary hydraulic ramp, and in the other post a secondary hydraulic ram that works on equal hydraulic pressure to keep the carriages and lifting arms level. Almost everything about the Compact Pro works like a full-height 2-post lift. The lifting arms are too short and too long, making it suitable for lifting a good range of vehicles. And it has automatic and serviceable arm locks. Often you see moon gears on the arms that are welded into place, but on our lift they can be repositioned. The lift has a minimum pad height of 100 mm, and the lift pads are screwable type, which are a must these days for cars that have different height lifting points. Additionally, this lift will take our wheel forks, which can be used for space tube framed cars and assortment of grass machinery and UTVs. The power unit has a 220-volt single-phase motor, and it has a 24-volt operating control system. It has a master switch and an up button. And to send the lift down, you will need to send the lift up slightly and then pull the metal lock in each post, and then it's a matter of pressing down the lever on the power unit. Importantly, the lift has an upper limit switch in case it cannot be used at full height. And if you're thinking, what if I have a bigger vehicle? Well, 3-ton capacity means this Toyota Hilux fits right at home and can be lifted with ease. So here we have it, quite simply a 220-volt, single-phase, low-height, 3-ton, 2-post lift, which is movable, and it opens the door to so many possibilities and so many car enthusiasts and small garages that thought that having a 2-post lift was not a possibility. Contact equipmentforgarages.com for further information, or to place an order, simply go to the website. Press like for this video, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.